Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google AdSense account. Now this is a complete beginner's tutorial, so make sure to follow the steps once I show you. Now first, all you need to do is to go to your computer browser and go to google.com. This is where we will be signing in to our Google account, so just simply sign into your Google account right here. And now once you have done that, just search for Google AdSense in the search bar. So once you have done that, just click on the Google AdSense right here that says adsense.google.com. So this is basically the website of Google AdSense. So I'm just gonna click on that. And next is let me just change this to English. Right about there. And once you have done that, once you're in a Google AdSense website, just click on Get Started right here. Now all you have to do is to choose the account that you want to link to your Google AdSense. So I'm just going to choose this account right here. And of course, it's time to sign up. Now this is basically where you'll be creating your Google AdSense account. So first things first, you need a couple of things before you start. So if you have a website in mind that you want to link in Google AdSense, just paste the website right here. Right about there. And if you don't have a website, just simply click on I don't have a website yet. And next is get more out of AdSense. So you just basically click on the two circles right here that says, on the first circle that says send me customized help and perform suggestions. If you want that, just click on that, or if you don't want that, just basically click on the no option right here. So for now, I'm just going to select on the yes option. And next is the payment and country or the territory. So for now, you must basically enter the country where you're currently residing at. So for now, I am in the Philippines, and I'm just going to select Philippines right here, and it will have a terms and conditions in your language. So for now, this is the Filipino language currently, and I'm just going to read on this real quick. So for example, I have already read this. I'm just going to scroll down. Next, once you have done that, just check the box right here that says I have read and accept the agreement. So after that, just click on start using AdSense right about there. So once you have done that, it will automatically lead you to the Google AdSense homepage. Now if you want to add your site, just click on add site right here. So for now, I don't have a website, so I'm not gonna click on that. So what I want to talk about is the payments. So if you want to get paid directly to your bank account, all you have to do is to enter the information needed right here. So for now, as you can see, this is the customer information. First, you must select the payment profile that you want to have. So once you have created an account, all you have automatically Google AdSense will create a payment profile. So for now, this is the payment profile I have. Next is the account type. So it is individual because we are currently using our personal account in Google. And next is the name and email address. So make sure to enter your name right here, and of course your address and the suburb and the city where you're currently residing at, and of course the postal code, and enter the province or the state where you are currently at. So once you have done that, just click on submit right here. And next is ads. So once you have added a website, you can now actually do the ads itself. So I'm just going to click on explore right here, and once you click on explore, just automatically enter the website you have currently in mind. And next, just click on save right about there. Next is to connect your site to AdSense. So I'm just going to select let's go right here. And of course, just paste the link of your website once you have done that. So just click on save once you have done that. So next, I'm just going to go to ads right about here. And there you have it. As you can see, this is the ads option right here. So basically, if you create or link a website to your Google AdSense, it will see the ads right here, or the ad performance right here. So for now, I don't have an ads or a website linked into Google AdSense. That's why this is blank right here. And as you can see, you can actually create a ad right here by ad unit. So you can create an ad unit, you can have a display ads, an in-feed ads, an article ads, and a multiplex ads. So if you're starting, basically Google AdSense recommends you to have a display ads. So I'm just going to click on this for example, and as you can see, these are the examples of some ads right here. So once a potential customer will click on that, they will be leaded to the website that you have just created for an ad. So next is the sites. So under sites, this is basically where we will add a website. So just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna go to my Shopify website, and of course let's add our Shopify store to Google AdSense, just to I'll let you see how this actually works. I'm just gonna go to my online store, and I'm gonna copy this link right here, and I'm gonna select new site. I'm just gonna right click and paste, and of course save. So once you have done that, as you can see, it will say that you need to connect your site using this AdSense code. So to get your site ready to show ads, copy and paste this code between the head tags on each page of your website. So I highly recommend you to hire a professional IT guy if you want to do this, or if you do know how to do this, you can actually go ahead and copy this link into the head tags right about here. So for example, once you have done that, just click on I have placed code right here, and just basically click on next right here, and it will say review or request review. So once you have done this part right here, it will automatically go to request review, and just simply click on request review so that Google AdSense will review your request on your Google AdSense to your account. So once you have done that, as you can see, the approval status is getting ready, and as you can see, the ad.text status is not found because we haven't actually do that. But if you have done that, this will basically be green, and it will say found right about there. So I guess that's basically it for this video. I hope you get the gist of it. This is basically how you can create an account, and it's very easy for you to do. And I hope you find this video very helpful. And if you have some questions, some comments, or even some suggestions, just feel free to comment it down on the comment section box below. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!